Welcome to day one of my culinary medicine adventure. I am kicking things off with a morning drive to the airport. I'm really excited for this trip. Before the shuttle, I made sure to eat something nourishing. This is my go to chickpea curry with quinoa. Simple, homemade, and packed with plant powered protein to keep me full and energized for travel. After a short shuttle ride, it was time to navigate the airport. But first, let's explore what's on the menu here. As I walked through the terminal, I took a quick tour of the food scene. Everything from fast food to grab and go snacks. It's tempting, but today I came prepared. Since I already had my homemade lunch, I did not purchase any lunch from the airport. I saw Starbucks on my way and decided to treat myself with the new oat milk horchata latte, and it did not disappoint. Lightly spiced, creamy, and just the cozy start I needed. And here I was on the gate. I brought my homemade travel snacks, dried fruit and nut laddu, cashews, seed crackers, instead of the salty pretzels that the airlines provided. And of course, I chose water instead of the soda. These little swaps make a big difference when you are flying and want to stay energized and bloat free. After a smooth flight, we touched down in the vibrant city of New Orleans, home to bold flavors, rich history, and one of the most iconic food cultures in the US. Cafe Du Monde was already tempting travelers with its legendary beignets and powdered sugar clouds. While I didn't grab one here, it reminded me how food is such a deep part of this culture. Even at the airport, I could feel the spirit of the city. There was live music playing right in the terminal. It instantly set tone for this delicious journey. After landing in New Orleans, I grabbed a taxi straight to the International House Hotel in the heart of downtown. These flowers bloomed along the roadside were so vibrant and colorful. I passed Caesar Superdome, which is multi-purpose stadium here in New Orleans, and then also passed the Oceaner Medical Center. Then I finally reached International House Hotel. It has beautiful modern vibe with artistic touches everywhere. Definitely the perfect place to unwind before the conference began. And this is a little tour of my room, and that is the window facing outside. Here's a television, and I also had a small refrigerator. That's the bathroom, and I had a storage area here. That evening, I had a complimentary Thai dinner from a local spot called Good Catch Thai. I tried corn salad, pad thai, fried rice, and some fresh mango for dessert. Everything was flavorful and satisfying, just what I needed after a travel day. Hi, I'm Dr. Desai, a certified culinary medicine specialist. And this week I'm here in New Orleans to level up my cooking and nutrition game. From knife skills to pasta making to Mediterranean small plates, I am bringing you along. Here's what I am looking forward to most. I have already checked in for my conference and I already got my badge here that has my name, the certification that I received, CCMS, Certified Culinary Medicine Specialist. And here in the back, I have my sessions listed. So Tomorrow on Friday, I will be learning fresh pasta making, and on Saturday, I will be learning knife skills. So I'm really excited. Hello, everyone. So this is Friday morning. Last night, I had added this oatmeal content with some milk. I kept it in the fridge overnight. In this room, I don't have a microwave, so I just decided to mix this oatmeal with some milk that I was able to get. And I left it in the fridge. In the morning, it was nice and creamy. This is my first time trying this particular brand, and I really liked it. It comes with oats, chia seeds. There are also flax seeds in there, but the flax seeds are whole. They're typically the flax seeds need to be broken down in order to get it absorbed. So I wish the flax seeds were in a form of more like a powder or broken down form. This has some coconut sugar, but it's really like lightly sweetened. It's not too sweet at all, and overall it's a good choice for travel. I liked it. And after that, I carried some Bosque pear from home. This type of pear variety travels well, and this is quite rich in fiber and vitamin C. Sometimes when you're traveling, it's hard to get access to like fruits and veggies and stuff, especially when you're traveling to unknown place and your schedule is hectic. So I just decided to carry this pear. Now I'm going to have that for my breakfast. So I'm ready for day one of my Culinary Medicine Conference. I will be traveling, I will be taking a shuttle to Delgado Community College. And in today's session, we are going to learn about the safety in food supply, foodborne illnesses, and environmental pollutants in food chain. And this will be for the morning, and in the afternoon, I will be learning hands-on pasta making. I think about a month ago, I tried making fresh pasta at home using rye flour. I had posted the video on my channel if you want to check it out. I hand rolled those pasta. So today I'm really excited to see what I am going to learn here in the conference about fresh pasta making. After the conference, we are going to have a reception that will feature some Mediterranean style small plates. So I'm excited to see what they have to offer. And after that, we are going to go to a Thai restaurant for dinner. So I will bring you along. I had some oatmeal in the morning and a pear, and now I'm just going to have my homemade tepla with the almond butter that I got, and I will just have that, and I won't buy anything from outside for breakfast. The next morning, we took a shuttle from International House Hotel to Delgado Community College, where Culinary Medicine Conference was being held. We checked in at Lac Pontchartrain room on level 2, our home base for lectures and discussions. Just outside, there were water and coffee stations to keep us fueled throughout the day. Downstairs on level 1, there was a beautiful teaching kitchen and breakout rooms for our hands-on sessions. This is where we would be shaping pasta later today. Out back, there was a spacious garden-style courtyard with picnic tables where we had lunch. It was peaceful, sunny, and perfect reset between sessions. For lunch, I had a pita sandwich, a side salad, and a fruit cup. Simple, fresh, and energizing. I loved how the conference offered balanced meals in such a relaxing setting. After finishing the lunch, I headed to my hands on session for pasta. Before we got to the fun part, shaping pasta by hand, the chef gave us a deep dive into the fundamentals of pasta making. We learned about different types of flour used in pasta. Zero flour creates a smooth, silky dough, perfect for delicate shapes. Semolina, made from durum wheat, gives pasta more bite and protein. And when you use whole grain flour, you increase fiber and nutrient content. We also talked about the role of eggs in pasta dough. Eggs add richness, structure, and color. They bring in nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and protein. The dough was prepped for us so we could focus on shaping. We practiced different forms. It was such a mindful process. This is exactly what I love about culinary medicine. It's not just what you eat, it's how you prepare it, experience it, and enjoy it. Chef also showed us how to roll the pasta in a machine. We were fascinated by how he was able to manage that long sheet of pasta dough with both his hands. It definitely takes a lot of practice to get to this stage. He cut this sheet into small squares and then we were able to create this shape out from the small squares. While we were practicing this shape, the chef cooked fresh pasta for us and he tossed the fresh pasta into olive oil based sauce and we got to try it and these pasta were delicious. After the day's sessions, we headed to a lovely evening reception. There were beautiful grazing boards with sautéed veggies, fruit platter, cheese selection, and a tray of hummus with crackers. Most of the veggie platter had disappeared by the time I arrived, but thankfully they refilled it soon after. And then I tried something totally unexpected, a savory roasted eggplant cheesecake. It was creamy, herby, and flavorful. After the reception, a group of us went out to a cozy Thai restaurant named Hey Thai, which was about an 8-minute walk from our hotel. We ordered a light tofu and mushroom salad, which was flavored with herbs and zesty citrus dressing. Then we ordered a warm and comforting kabocha squash curry, rich with coconut milk and subtly sweet squash. We also ordered a vibrant green curry with tofu and mushrooms, made with green curry sauce and basil oil. Overall, the food was delicious and nutritious, and we had such a great time. Tomorrow is all about women's health, knife skills, and incredible Mediterranean flavors. Subscribe so you don't miss part 2.